Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to build a powerful lead gen system. But before we start, I want to show you a little bit the basics with this diagram. So there are different ways to build lead generation systems. What we want to do in this course here is we want to make a simple Google search. And what we are using for all that to be able to use the Google search, because of course Google will block all a API or lead API or Google will block all Google will block Google will block all Google will block all crawling mechanism. So what we are going to do, we are using DataForSeo. It's a really great API. It's so cheap, it's really cheap, and you can get a lot of data from it. We are using two endpoints. This is the documentation. As you can see, they have SERP APIs, so they let you search Google, they let you search Bing, YouTube, Yahoo, and a little bit more. So we will using Google, and also, so with Google, you can get the domain, you can get locations, language, you can get data from the maps, images, and also a lot of different useful information. And the second one here is if you go to Domain Analytics API, Technologies, there's Technology Summary, because in our agency I wanted to know which page is a WordPress page or a WooCommerce page and which not. So if you're targeting like only Shopify or other technologies, then this API endpoint is for you. So here you can see you can get, of course, the country code, but also domain rank and WordPress. WordPress was the keyword. Okay, but there's a technology field and you can get CMS WordPress. Yeah, I will show you later in the more detailed in the video. So we are using this data, so we are searching Google for a keyword, let's say dentist in New York, then you get all the dentists in New York, or I think the limit is at 1. Or the limit is, I think, at 100 paid organic, 100 search engine results for specific keyword, and then you have to search a little bit different. But that's a good start. So we will use this to get domain, page speed, page rank, email, CMS, and the page speed. And if you are offering some kind of service, then those are really quite good informations. Also, if you're now new to the course and you need different data, please let me know. There are so many different APIs you can get data from, and it's really just the same principle. So after getting all this data, we are going to save it to Airtable. Then you can make some filters, like for example, only for CMS. We will also validate the email, and then you can send a personalized cold email with the next video chapter about cold email sending. So this time, let's start with make. Just want to show you here. You can put in data for SEO, and then you already have some modules, like you can also get backlinks, and here we get the parsed SERP, and here we get the audit check. Let's check this first. Let's put in like our domain. Okay, load images, load script available, emulate browser with a yes, script yes, and broken resources no. So I already connected it to my DataForSeo account. And to get the password, you have to check here API access, and then you have the same email but different password. So let's try this out. Run this module only. Let's see the result. So output is important. It's interesting for us. Result, yeah, sometimes quite nested. Result items. So what we have 200. That's page score 95. You get the DOM size. You get total size. Some checks. Here are some checks also quite interesting. Is it a 400 code, HTTPS, and a lot of SEO-friendly URL. You can also easily build a complete SEO AI agent with this API. Oh, let's put it here. So, okay, but first we're going to implement the search. So at the beginning, we will search, or we will fire the search here manually. What we need is get parse serp. So I don't know. You can put in your location. It's maybe Germany. Device, which is desktop or mobile. Search engine domain. For us, it's google.de. Def is 1. And here you can see here the number of results is actually 700. That's quite high. Okay, so save. Let's see the result. Output. What we get? Data. Live organic result. Organic. And then items. Here we have our results. For example, here dentist Munich. Looks good. URL, breadcrumb, domain. Let's say dentist New York. That's the whole state anyway. But before we continue, we have to change the location here because I checked it again. And here you can see locations, and its location name is United States and not US. So United States, and here is it. It is English. Perfect, google.com. Okay, so this is, let's do it on demand here. Okay, activated it. No, it's not needed. Let's run it once. Let's see the output from our Google search. Usually Google will block your scraping mechanisms, and not sure how they do it, but it's working. You can see here dentist New York, and we have some items. So we have 99, nearly 100 domains scraped here. You get your rank, description, title, and the URL. Great. So next we need then also an iterator. So because then we can iterate this array and then save to Airtable. Here we can create a new record because it's just a newly scraped leads. Choose your base and the correct connection. So, and then just enter what you want to save. You have the search term. Search term you can find here, DataForSeo. Let's see, tasks, data, I think, keyword, URL, title, and description. Status is not needed here, and then save. And when you now run it, it will. Okay, let's try it out. Run this module. It runs. Usually it doesn't take so long. Okay. I just run this module only. So now I'm going to run once and it will run the whole scenario. Okay, iterator, Airtable, and we should see our scraped dentist here. URL, title, description. Great, I forgot to reduce the limit to 10. Now we have 100 new leads. So, happy scraping and follow me for new videos. We will build more modules for this lead gen system. So follow me to also see the next videos where we're going to expand this lead gen system a bit more.